Okay, so today we're going to be looking at a really cool little tool that we got in recently. This one's from Core RC, and it basically has a bunch of little bits on here that you can use, and you can just keep it in your pocket or in a small toolbox. So this little button here kind of loosens up the bits, and then once they're locked in there, they're not going anywhere. So you can take these out and flip them around to get the right hex sizes that you need. And to get the rest of the bits out, this just turns on the back here, and then it opens it up and these slide out. And then of course you've got the numbers of what they are on here, so some little details there, and then just lock it back into place. So very cool little screwdriver. You can see they've got another one here with very tiny little hexes on here. There's a very small little Phillips heads as well. So this will actually come in handy for anybody that's got very sort of tiny little screws. And it's just good for general use around the house and the hobby as well. So that's the Core RC little mini screwdriver set. Very cool little unit.